Mihail Coglaniciano Air Base in Romania. This is the most strategic location right now in Europe. We can do logistics over the shore, logistics over the air, logistics over the land.
Force protection is a term we give to the preventative measures that we put in place in order to preserve combat power.
Every aspect of the force protection mission for the warfighter here on this installation is provided for by DLA.
DLA is involved in everything that we do. So all of the class 4 and things that we need to just operate on a daily basis.
DLA already has the contract mechanism set up. DLA already has people on site.
It's something that I've become more aware of how important they are to what we do as an organization.
Without Defense Logistics Agency, force protection couldn't exist here. If I'm doing my job right and force protection works right, nobody ever knows.